In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Make sure you watch this video until the end to exactly know how you can. First, let's head over to the profile section and then tap on the following list. Now, in order to unfollow a particular person, you simply tap on the following option right here and that particular person will be unfollowed. But as you can see, there is no option to unfollow everyone at once on TikTok. So for that, what you need to do is you need to take the help of TikTok themselves. From the profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right and then tap on settings and privacy. From the settings page, scroll down and under support and about, you'll have report a problem. You can tap on it. This section helps you to solve any problems that you're facing with your account. Now there is no separate section of unfollow, so you need to scroll down to the bottom of this page again and tap on submit a report. After you do that, a description box will open up where you can now type in your feedback. Here I have just typed in, can you help me unfollow everyone on my account? You can also type in something like that and then you can tap on submit. Now after you send this report, TikTok should see the report that you've sent and should help you unfollowing everyone on your account. So that's the only thing that you can do in order to unfollow everyone on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.